In today's video, I'll show you guys how to get all cars unlocked and achieve 100% progress in NFS Most Wanted 2005 with this save game guide. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link, go to files and select the manual download option and select slow download option and it will start downloading. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And now navigate to documents, open the NFS most wanted and just close, open this save game folder, just drag and drop this hero folder anywhere NFS most wanted and just close stuff here and launch the game. Once you are in game, it shows load profile, select the hero and press enter again. And now go to career and resume career and resume free room and select the yes and press enter. Just turn around and go to this home and press enter and go to car select and select the car you like. Everything is unlocked. Going with this one, press enter, resume free roam and press enter. Now you can enjoy the game with Lamborghini or Porsche, any car you like, you can play with it. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.